I'd like to assure you that this approach to eating is based in science. Firstly, cancer cells are metabolically inflexible. I'm going to have a bunch of research below that shows why this is true, that cancer cells prefer sugar and other carbohydrates and don't prefer to metabolize fat and ketones. Secondly, we want to look at outcomes and research, because what is out there that is going to show that this is going to make a difference in my life, whether I'm preventing or conquering cancer. Below are a bunch of studies and great websites that I use all the time. They show that this way of eating can improve the quality and quantity of your life and mine.